time. Maybe I'm supposed to, maybe I'm not. But I suck at making soup, and here I am. It's a disaster. But you call me Rice, because that's my nickname. My kitchen is nonsense. It might not translate in video, which is great if it does not. But it's nonsense because I decided on a Saturday to cook random things at the same time. Not random. I'm going to make soup, as I said before. I am very bad at making soup. I am what I call poubelle. Poubelle as in trash in French, but there's belle in it, so it's pretty trash instead of just trash. In my mind, it helps me feel better. As I said before, I am trash at making soup. I'm right now cutting garlic so I can chop it up and put it in the soup. I have water here heating. You've seen it on the side. This pot can't go. And basically, I'm cooking for the week on a Saturday. In 10 minutes, I'm supposed to be streaming. Normally. On my regular hours. No, that's not happening. Because I decided to cook for the week today so I can rest tomorrow. I understand why I never cook on Saturdays. I'm trying lentil soup. My mother told me it's easy enough. She gave me instructions and she said, do what you want after. It should be fine. So that's what I'm doing. And the issue is though, my phone ran out of storage because I started cooking other things. You'll see in the vlog why this kitchen is a disaster. You might not see it because I angle it in a way where it's the least disastrous. But you'll see in the vlog. My phone was out of storage. I'm on the camera that doesn't run long. And so here I am trying to do as fast as I can. Try lentil soup knowing that I normally cook soup like seasoned water. Or it tastes like piss. I never taste piss or pee. But seasoned piss, I think. Basically, I'm just going to put all the ingredients in one pot. My mother showed me everything one pot. And just leave it cooked until it boils. And then you let it simmer. So I did, you'll see it in the vlog what happened, but I decided to do other things today since I was cooking this and I had to buy certain ingredients, and I was like, might as well in the same pot do everything because I didn't have food for today. And I was like, oh, instead of buying food, I can make regret. You'll see in the vlog what I have in the oven. I have to get the onion as well. I'm supposed to cut a whole one, but I'm going to just cut half. I don't need a whole. That's too much, in my opinion. But you'll see I have bread. So I'll have to start to take out the bread, the dessert, and food for the week because I meal prep. And this will be dinner meal prep too / thing because I have to eat dinner. And I hope you eat dinner too. I hope you drink water. I hope everything's well with you. And I hope you enjoy this cooking session of me being bad at soup. I've been bad at soup forever. That's why I always bought soup pre-made. And my mother does soup with just water. No broth, no nothing. And it comes out amazing. So I'm like, I can do it too. And I don't have like a special blender which you'll hear about it in the vlog. Upcoming vlog of all the disasters that happened. That's why I'm so late. But I'm hoping that everything tastes good, so it doesn't matter, and I can just have a good story for stream. I can just do this, and y'all don't see my face for 2 seconds. Don't see my face for 2 seconds. Y'all see me chop. So this is the onion. I'm doing this very grossièrement. I don't know what grossièrement right now in English is roughly because girl is late. Late for everything. So dropping it in. Y'all gonna laugh. I had a long thing hot. It's been a disaster today. When I tell y'all, good thing I catch on. I had this heating. Good thing I noticed. Because I'm like, why is water not hot? I just dropping things in like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. And I was like, why this not? Because I feel the water and I was like, what? That should have burned me. Imagine. I'm like, that should have burned me. Why is it not? Why does it didn't burn? So thank you God for the water not being hot so it didn't burn me. But at the same time, thank you God for making me realize I turned on the wrong one. This what's happened because I'm multitasking. But they're looking good. So I'm very happy. They're looking good. I don't want to show y'all the reveal here. Y'all need to wait for the vlog for the reveal of this. But I'm adding the lentils. You may be It's okay. It's a clean bowl. You maybe saw a piece of it added. I'm so clumsy. And let me salt. This soup. This soup. I promised myself that I would get good at making soup. At least try a soup. I said at least try. That's enough. Because again, it's for the whole week. It's not just for today. That's why Big Pop did everything. So salt and a lot of things going in. But it's a mess. So my mother says her secret ingredient, it's not secret, but she says she like putting pumpkin in it. This is the pumpkin piece. She would like just put it in, but I don't want the skin in. So I'm just gonna try to cut it up without the skin, if possible. Oh my gosh, how do you cut it? Forget how hard the pumpkin is to cut. And Claire, I have a question. The pumpkin, when you put it in the pot, you gotta peel off the skin?
Yeah.
How you don't peel off the skin on the hard pumpkin?
You peel it with a knife. You think it's not
Nah. I ain't got peel it with a knife. You know your niece bad. Mommy answer, so I call you, but you ain't giving me the answer I want here. I gotta peel this. Girl, you sure I can't just put it in there? Okay, it's fine. It's a small piece. If I cut it up in pieces already, so that what I do. I cut it in small pieces. Yeah, I cut it in small pieces, but okay. Started to peel the pumpkin while they're still cooking. I suck at peeling, by the way. I'm not the best. I'm a potato peeler, but I don't think a potato peeler is gonna help this one. And I don't want to waste my potato peeler. Get in there. There goes the pumpkin after being peeled. 3 pieces for flavor. Now we're gonna put some carrots. I wanted fresh carrots to like peel and stuff, but them carrots were expensive. And I have another story for another thing I'm going to add, but that's the last thing to add, so y'all going to wait on that piece. Y'all going to wait to the end to hear that story. This is freestyle lentil peas. Can't really make soup. This is an attempt, but I know y'all like, oh, we would love to see you fail. I'm going to succeed, but it going to not be easy. This is basically, how to say, just put some carrots in it. This is just a little bit, like half the pack. Put carrots in it just so it's hard to but okay. So this is basically trying my best. Don't know how to really do soup. Lentil peas. I think y'all learned by now that I'm not here to like teach y'all how to cook. I cook and you join in on me getting better, hopefully. So my camera cut off. So sorry about that. And I had to fix it, I guess. That's okay. We still in business. We still in business. That's enough tomatoes. But I added tomatoes when they cut off because I got buy one get one free today, and I was like, I'll put it in the soup. It's more healthy stuff, more better. That's not English. The more healthy things I put in it, the better it'll be. I am not on purpose making it bad, I promise. Remember, we added salt, cayenne pepper. Okay, this is the second, third time camel cut off. I low down the fire, okay, I lower it down, and now I'm going to put the secret story that I need to tell y'all. This is Swiss chard, basically, that I need to chop off, by the way, first. So I bought Swiss chard, which is edible, all food, red and green included. But the issue was that wasn't the plan of me buying this at all. I had to go to my phone to finish the story. My camera is really covering. So I bought Swiss chard, which is completely edible, red parts included. And not on purpose, basically I was in a grocery store and I took the plastic for the onion by their need. I had two basically by accident. And so I take one I didn't need, and I was there and there was other employees, and there was an employee watching me, and I was like, I can't just leave it in the cashier, like not a cashier, but just leave it there at the by the thing, because you know it would be wasted, and that person was watching me and got nervous. So I decided to just pick something, and I never cooked with straw, and it wasn't the most expensive, and it wasn't the cheapest, but out of the other things that was out, I feel like it made the most sense because I didn't want to do it with kale. I didn't want to do with the other things that were out that was more seasoning. And I was like, hey, it's gonna be this. So we're gonna see how it tastes. I tasted it raw, but it tastes fine. So we'll see. So I can just put it like on top. I want the red parts to go because I Googled since I never cook with it. The red parts takes longer to cook because it's harder, but the leaves will cook like spinach, which I have cooked already. So that's it. Let me show you what the pot looks like. My phone is charging. So the pot looks like this. So I'm going to put a cover and keep it on low heat. Low. That's what's on. It's on 2, but just like a low. And I'll leave it as that. After several camera crashes, phone gone in outer space, and now camera on phone not working, this is the soup result. Taste test. Okay. This is the soup, the proof, the symbol. We have a little bit of everything. I'm in darkness, I'm sorry. But girl tired. I have the pumpkin, the carrot, the chard, the tomato, and the lentil, and the onions and everything. At this point, the camera crashes. My phone now suddenly is like, it's completely different, acting like it's a new phone. Okay. It tastes okay. It doesn't taste like restaurant soup, but it tastes better. This is the best soup I've ever done. Definitely the best soup I've ever done. I think it tastes good. It's well seasoned. I don't know what I'm missing, but maybe I have too much ingredient, but I like all the ingredients. They combine well, which shocked me, and they look pretty together. It's very colorful, and I didn't maybe take the picture pretty, but it looked pretty. There's a pumpkin. It tastes good, everybody. I was hard on myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm super late for stream. It's past 4. What time it is? Let me check. I can't check. But it past 4.